In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in the eDreams app. To get started, open the eDreams app on your device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have access to all features and a smoother experience. Once the app opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now tap on Profile or Account. This section is where you manage your personal settings. It's crucial because it stores your preferences and personal details. By accessing this area, you gain control over how the app interacts with you. Next up, tap on Settings. This is the hub for customizing the app to suit your needs. Within Settings, you can adjust various options to enhance your user experience. Remember, a well-configured app can save you time and make navigation easier. From there, tap on Region, Language, and Currency. This section allows you to tailor the app to your specific locale and linguistic preferences. It's essential for ensuring that all information is presented in a way that's most useful to you. Select Currency. Here you'll find a list of available currency options. It's important to choose the right currency, especially if you're planning a trip. This step ensures that all prices are displayed in the currency you understand best. Now choose your preferred currency. You might select US dollars, euros, pounds, or even Philippine pesos. This choice should align with your needs, whether you're comparing prices or planning a budget. Selecting the correct currency can simplify your travel planning and prevent any confusion. After that, tap Save. This is a crucial step. Saving your selection makes sure your changes are applied. You'll see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your preferences have been updated. Remember, updating your currency settings is not just about convenience, it's also about having accurate financial information at your fingertips. This little step can save you a lot of time later, especially when booking flights or accommodations. At this point, you can return to the main screen. Notice how the currency in the app has changed to reflect your selection. This small adjustment enhances your experience and ensures clarity in all your transactions. Take a moment to explore other settings if you wish. Customizing your app can lead to a more tailored and efficient experience. To wrap up, changing the currency in the eDreams app is a simple yet powerful tool. It allows you to plan your travels with ease and precision. By following these steps, you've taken control of how you view your financial information within the app. Thank you for following along today. We hope this guide has been helpful. Have a wonderful day and happy travels.